I'm Rose Utley, and today we're going to be making picadillo, which is a Mexican dish I grew up with, made with ground beef and potatoes. Let's get cooking. Start by dicing half an onion. Next, we'll peel 2 russet potatoes like magic. If your potatoes are small, use 3. Now let's transform those potatoes into cubes. Start by slicing them into strips, then make 3 cuts across each strip to create perfect little cubes. Easy and quick. Chop up 1 bush of cilantro. Next, to amp up the flavor, to a blender, add 3 garlic cloves. Just make sure you trim off the ends. Cut 2 Roma tomatoes in fourths and add them to your blender. For some seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, 1 small 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 cups of water. And now we blend. And you'll end up with this. Now let's get cooking. To a large pan, you want to add 1 pound of ground beef. I like to use my meat chopper for this. Link in my description or in my bio. If you're looking for a specific video on my front page and can't find it, be sure to check out the videos tab of my YouTube for more videos. I have my heat set at about a medium-high heat or a number 7. While our meat is still slightly pink, I'm going to add my potatoes since it does take a little longer to cook them. Now we're going to add our diced onions and we're going to give this a good mix. We'll mix until the potatoes are almost translucent, about 3 minutes or so. At this point, you can drain any excess grease and add salt and pepper to your taste. I feel adding it to my pan just gives me a little more control versus the blender. After mixing for a few minutes, we can now add our sauce. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water. This meal is not only quick and easy to make, but budget friendly and so delicious. Now we're going to add our cilantro. This is going to give it such a nice flavor. You don't want to skip it. Unless, of course, you don't like cilantro, then by all means, you can eliminate it. For a little extra flavor, I add a whole jalapeno in there. But if you like it spicy, you can slice it up instead and add it in there. Cover and cook on low heat for 25 minutes or until your potatoes are fork tender. In the meantime, I'm heating up some pinto beans to go with it and some flour tortillas. After 25 minutes, let's check our potatoes to make sure they're fork tender. Perfect, these look great. Let's take a look here before we plate. So yummy. And here you have it, delicious picadillo with beans on the side and a flour tortilla to dip in that delicious broth. Open wide. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!